Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do an update on the Bliq Bot 2.0, and after that, basically if it is an upgraded version, and of course risk management has been better and stuff like this, so I'm going to talk about it on this video. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And basically on every style of the video, I'm going to do an introduction of prove it. So basically it's a keto diet, and after that, what is a keto diet? Basically you can just click on the link down below, and after that you will be linked to the website. Basically it's a health supplementary drink which boosts you to the stage of ketosis. And after that, if you're an athlete or basically if you're a person who don't know what is ketosis, basically I would say that this drink can help you a lot with, like, let's say if you're a person that gym a lot and after that you care for health. Basically you can just click on the link, and after that click on how it works. It's going to be a short video of around 5 to 7 minutes, and after that it's going to explain to you what is ketosis, and after that what is basically how this product helps you with your health, stuff like this. So let's get started with the trading bot. So over here you can see the bot has I have recorded down all the updates that I'm doing. So basically there was every checks. So basically over here you can see the Deribit Bot officially recording once every video is made. So for the 17th of January I made a video, and basically talking about my first day on the bot itself. And after that, from there I made subsequent updates on the bot itself. Therefore you can see 2 months, and after that, as of today, it is July. Basically the bot has been not trading for almost a month, because the developers has been upgrading the algorithm, the trading algorithm. And after that, from there, the risk management as well. So they have tested it for almost a month, and as of 1st of July, they told me that the bot is good to go. And basically I opened manual position on Deribit itself. Therefore I told them do not start the bot on the 1st of July. I want to close my position manually, and after that, from there, once it's closed, I will inform you guys, and you guys can plug in my account and let it run with your algorithm. And basically they agree with that, and as of 4th of July I have officially started the Bliq Bot 2.0. So basically I have stated over here 2.0 started, and after that basically the balance is showing over here. And after that, the fees I have not paid for the month of April towards May. I have not paid the fees. Therefore the developers are calculating how much the fee is gonna be. Basically 30% on the fee itself, and from there, once they let me know, I will pay the fees. And over here you can see the recording. So basically what is paid for this bot. So basically previously when I joined the bot itself, they told me that they're gonna have a beta, and after that a trial season. Therefore the trial has been for around 2 months, or I would say 3 months plus. And after that, basically the key for them to gain back the trust of those users that has been previously has been using Lucas Bot, and after that the services that Lucas is providing. Therefore basically they are the real developers, and basically that was a video that I've done, and previously it's on the playlist. You can just check it out on my channel. I've explained what happened and stuff like this. And after that, they contacted me and they prove it. Basically I asked for proof and stuff like this. They basically can prove themselves that they are really the developers on basically on the back end. And after that, they provide me with my API keys, and after that basically they want to gain back trust. And after that, for the customers that has been approached by Lucas, and basically they came up with this idea with free a trial period, and after that to gain back trust and stuff like this. So basically I paid a 0% of profit sharing, I mean the one-time deposit fee. Therefore you can see I paid $0 over here, and I started off with 1 Bitcoin on my balance. And as of today, July, I would say we can talk about May. So basically as of May, the bot have officially stopped, and after that has been upgraded and stuff like this. basically my balance is 1.3667, and you can see within this month of trading, the bot has made a total of 0.3342, which I would say not bad. It is really awesome. Basically, I've done nothing to gain this amount. So basically, the algorithm is just running back end. Everything is automated. I just top up. I just create a Deribit account, and after that, if you are interested, you can use my referral link over here. Basically, you will get a discount for the one-time deposit fee, and yeah, normally the one-time deposit fee is going to be 5%. If you use my code, you will get it's going to cost you 4.5% instead of 5%, so you can save the 0.5%, which I would say is quite a significant amount for you to ROI, and after that profit for the long term. So if you're interested, you can basically head over to the Telegram of Bliq. Just hit here, the tag over here, just head over to Telegram and enter this username, and from there just click on all the options that they're giving you, and yeah, basically you can contact M if you are interested on the bot as well, and you can use my referral code, and from there you are good to go. Just basically what you do is just sign up an account on Deribit. My referral link is down below. Just sign up, top up your account, and create an API, and of course enable 2FA. And from there, once these 4 things are done, basically just contact M, and after that just send him your API keys, and from there the bot is going to be plugged in, and I'm going to show you how does the bot works. So basically over here you can see I have 8 open orders, and it is all done by the bot itself. I did not set all this entry. The bot done it itself, and after that, basically I'm gonna see how the Bliq 2.0 works, and after that you can see the equity. This is my balance, which matches my spreadsheet. Therefore, the next video I'm gonna make is maybe on August, or maybe late August, I would say. I'm gonna make a video about Bliq 2.0 and show you the update of the 1 month, around 1 month plus time frame, on how the bot profit and stuff like this. So basically over here you can see the transaction history that I'm going to be totally transparent with you. Basically I told the developers that I'm going to do a manual trades, and after that I'm going to show you the history. So over here itself, on the 15th of June, so from the 10th of May, it has already closed the position and stuff like this, and they made a profit, make a bank of 0.5 in change. And after that, basically you can see over here, the bot shorted almost 25,000 worth of contract, the position, and after that entry price and stuff like this, and from there, basically made a profit over here. And after that did some trades over here and eventually closed everything, and after that the settlement is here. And after that the bot was not trading for almost a month. Therefore I have been learning how to trade, and of course I just entered I opened my own position manually, and I told the developers that I'm gonna do that, and they agree with me. So basically on the 15th of June all the way till the 4th of July, I have traded manually, and basically the bot closed on where is it? So basically the bot has closed the position. I manually closed the position of the 4th of July, and after that you can see the short position over here, the cash flow, the P&L and stuff like this. So basically I made almost 0.0419 just by a manual trade, which took me almost a month to close. And after that, it's not too bad, I would say. And as of this day, the bot has been plugged in, and you can see over here the source API. Basically it is the trades executed by the bot, and you can see over here basically over here the bot, I'm unsure about this, but you can see close by. So basically the bot close position, if I'm not wrong, close the position, and after that minus blah blah blah. It is quite confusing because there's many numbers and stuff like this. Basically once you see the source API, meaning the trade has been executed by the bot, and after that on the source web, basically I done the close position manually from web itself. And after that, yeah, basically you can see all the position that has been traded, that has been done, is going to show source API. So basically once you see API, that means the bot is trading. And after that, I'm going to wait for the progress. Of course, it is not instantly I can see any result because the bot just started yesterday, I would say. And I've recorded a spreadsheet yesterday, and it's past 12. And it is, yeah, basically 5th of July. I'm going to wait for maybe a month, 30 days or stuff like this for the bot to trade on its own. And from there, I'm going to see how everything works out. And after that, if you're interested to start today, the newer version, yeah, basically just head over to the group, and after that talk to the admin, and from there just use my referral Zin 2020, and after that you will get, yeah, maybe get discount. Just let the developer know that you are coming from my YouTube channel, and of course, yeah, basically 4.5%, yeah, 0.05% is not much, but to be honest, if you want to save on the one-time deposit, basically can do this, and after that it is going to help you a lot because, yeah, the more balance you have on your account, basically the bot is going to trade larger, has more capital to do with, and after that from there the trades will be much more profitable, I would say. You can outright earlier, yeah, blah blah blah. And after that, that's the end of this video. So if you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, I appreciate you listening to the end. Basically, yeah, maybe I sound like I do not know what I'm doing, but basically I am not scripting any video. I'm not scripting this video, therefore I'm just speaking whatever comes to my mind. And of course, over here, when I look at all the numbers and I want to explain when did my manual trades was open and closed, and yeah, basically I saw all the numbers and I'm jammed. And of course, what I know that source API, meaning it is traded by the bot. And after that, yeah, this is what you need to take note if you are looking for your transaction logs. Looking through the transaction logs, just know that source API is done by the bot itself. And after that, that's all for this video, and I hope you like it. If you like it, yeah, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, and share with your friends and family. Peace. See you on the next one.